Hey everybody, Mike again, and I think I have found the future of lead magnets, list building. This is just absolutely amazing. Using MCPs, AI agents, N8N, you can create amazing lead magnets for your customers or for whatever you're doing. Here is a beautiful PDF file that I have made. Well, it made, and it takes no time at all. This is a very simple automation. It may look complicated, it's not. And there are multiple ways to do this. I mean, you can do a form. N8N does have these built-in forms that look like this, and you can actually put this form on your website. Another thing you can do is set up a Google form like this and change all of your name and answers to everything. And then what you're going to do is link it to a sheet. And then in N8N, you can create a new node or a trigger node for sheets that says on row added. So every time a row is added, it'll trigger this automation. Another thing you can do, say you have something like go high level like this, you can set up a crazy form to put on your website or your social media or whatever it is. And then the automation, you submit when the form is submitted, it triggers it. And then you just send your webhook, which would be this right here. Just copy your webhook and paste it in here, and it'll create your lead magnet for you. Now this lead magnet builder here, so this automation here is more built around astronomy and people that like to look at the night sky. A side note here, the astronomy, digital photography, astrophotography world is a very low competition market right now. It always has been, actually. Not many people get into it. This here will basically give people something like this. Well, here's the newest one I just did. So I have a subject to my email. Here's the email. Now, once again, this is AI. It needs to be cleaned up. You can see I have it talking about once in a lifetime events, best stargazing locations in Colorado. If you're an affiliate for like Airbnb, I mean, that's what these are. These are links to Airbnb, so you could put your affiliate link in here. We also have locations, Great Sand Dunes, the Black Canyon, Mesa Verde. My Google Maps MCP is completely hit or miss. I have no idea why. I've done everything right. It just doesn't want to work for me. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Another thing you could do with this is like packing essentials. You could put your Amazon links in here for these products. I mean, you can easily do that for that. And then we have some more information, astronomy calendar. We have the night sky network from NASA. But instead of sending people a boring PDF that you send to everybody, or that first email that sucks, because they all do, mine suck, now you can send somebody a personalized lead magnet for them. And I mean, the use cases for this, I mean, I'm actually working with my friend who's a realtor. He doesn't want me to show you though. He doesn't want anybody knowing what he's doing. It's using his own database, and we're trying to set the form up. So like somebody would say, I'm looking to buy a house in this zip code. I want to spend this much money, this many bathrooms. And it'll go through his own database along with searching real estate database, which is the issue we're having right now for obvious reasons. It'll send the customer a personalized email, houses that he's personally selling along with other houses they might be interested in. This could be used for anything, and it's absolutely amazing. I have a very simple form here. It says, what's your name, where are you stargazing from, to and from dates, and of course the email, because that's what this is all about, getting that email. And then it goes into this first agent here. Now, I haven't fine-tuned this perfectly, so I mean, you want to copy this, be my guest, but I just have the person's name is our stargazer. They're located in whatever state, and they'll be looking at the stars between these two dates. Then my system message is, you will take the user's input. You have access to MCPs. The user's a stargazer looking for a celestial object. Use NASA and Brave. Also use Airbnb to see if any place close to their location, using their location, look for the best areas to look at the stars based on a 100-mile radius. Which why it sucks my Google Maps is not working correctly. Here's the location and the dates. I'm just using the NASA, the Brave, the Google, and the Airbnb MCPs. So I'm just listing tools and then executing tools. And like I mentioned in another video, you don't have to set up 16 of these for each agent. They can all use the same one. I mean, as you can see, these are all connected. I am using Claude, but one thing I will mention on the first initial research part, which this is, you might want to use something like ChatGPT. Something that's a little better at researching and Claude sometimes gets a little caught up with itself. Another thing I'd like to mention though is this max iterations. Yeah, when you first set this up, it'll always be 10. You need to set this up higher because it will run, because if it's going through all this stuff, here's the one that I just ran. You can see it went through 14 times. This one ran through 10 times. So you need to bump that number up. 100 is probably too much. It never hurts to be safe. It takes the input and then it goes into NASA, and you can see it looks for the near Earth objects. It then searches Brave for pretty much the same thing, to see if there's, it's looking for 15 incredible places to stargaze in Colorado. This is why MCPs are so powerful. I can set up API calls all day long. With the MCP, you don't have to worry about doing all the little, making sure you're sending the right variables and sending it to the right API. When you let the MCP and the AI agent do it for you, it does it all. And so far, I haven't had many issues other than anything related to Google. Yeah, Google is such a hit or miss for me right now. I don't know if I've screwed up or if it's something on Google's API end, but it just, Then you can see it takes in the information, and then I have it say, take the following. I'll just show you what this one is. So I just have it saying, take the following information and make it email ready. Be sure to start your email with the user's name. There are no links for Airbnb. Use the tools available to find the links. Make sure you highlight any events that are once in a lifetime, if any. At the end of the email, include any links to NASA or websites mentioned in the output. And I just have sign off with some Stargazer fun lingo. And once again, it gives me an email like this. Now, I would clean this up. I probably wouldn't send this email directly to a customer. This is absolutely, I hate to say this word, but I could see this as a game changer in building your email list. Instead of just having a simple form where you send somebody a crappy lead magnet like we all used to do, now you can send customized, personalized lead magnets. And this means customers are more likely to open the email. They're going to see this email and be like, wow, this is amazing. So when they get another email from you, they're more likely to open it. You're giving them something of value. In the email world, that's hard to do. But I could see this being used for so many different, if you're an affiliate marketer, you could set up a database with like your emails, and you could have the agent write the emails in your own voice. Say you have a SaaS or a affiliate program you want people to sign up for. Instead of sending a basic lead magnet, you can send a personalized one. And say you have multiple programs where one's maybe a higher entry level, one's a lower entry level. You can set your form up however you want to set your form up, where it could be like, how much are you looking to spend, or how much are you looking to make? Or so I think if you are in any form of email marketing, obviously anybody that has a business, this is the future. I mean, this has to be the future. As someone like me who has a hard time coming up with lead magnets, this is amazing. I would seriously start looking into this for your own business or just whatever you're doing right now. This is the future, okay? I am so excited about this. I have been working with so many people on this. I would love to show you what I'm working on, but everybody I'm working with doesn't want people to see it because they know how powerful this is going to be. So other than that, that's all I got for you today. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, have a good one. I'll see you again.